Hi, welcome back to our final segment, Creating Reports in Think Central. Once we, as a teacher, have made some assessment assignments, we can now generate reports based on assessment scores or even on standards scores. So let me show you how that's done. I've logged into Think Central and I'm going to click on Reports either up here on the top of the screen or down here on the bottom of the screen. It doesn't really matter. And it takes me to the Reports page. And notice here I can say I want to filter by assessments or by standards. I always click Expand All just to be sure I'm not missing anything. I want the current year. I'm going to select my grade level and I'm going to select my subject. And it already knew I wanted assessments, so I will say yes, please select all of my assessments. And if I wanted to, I could make some filter changes here in No Child Left Behind criteria, etc. But I'm ready to go ahead and generate a report now. So from over here in the center of the screen, I'm going to click on Generate Report. Alright, here's the report I've generated. You can see by our little trail here, we've clicked on Teacher, Classroom, Student Performance over time. Now my report might look a little odd to you because I have two assessments listed here and I have one assessment listed here. And the gap is because I actually have two classes represented. You can see I have a Pilcher practice class and a Practice Go Math class. My assessment 1 was in this class, my assessments 2 and 3 were in this class. So it's showing me the results of all of my assessments. And see here, it makes it a little more clear as well. So if I do want to display the results of just one class, I can actually just click on that class name right here. And it will now display a report for me for just that one specific class that I clicked on. Again, this is kind of boring because I only have one student, so if you had more than one student, it would look a little more exciting than mine. I can click on Report Summary and it gives us a little more information here. But once I have the report that I'm really interested in, what I can do now is I can actually export that report to a spreadsheet or to a PDF document. And here's that report, so I can print it out and save it if I want to. The other thing I did want to mention on reports that I think is kind of powerful are the actual comparisons that you can make. So you can choose to compare one test with another test. You select your target assessment and you select your comparison assessment and then have it compare. So really with reports, what you need to do is just get in there and play around with it a little bit. Remember to choose either assessments or standards and so on. You'll enjoy this report feature. It's very powerful. I did want to mention also that you can click on generating a progress report. When you're in to just student performance, you will see where there's a location where you can click on a performance report and then save that as a document and share that during your parent-teacher conferences. So enjoy the reports feature in Think Central.